How many suppliers do you currently rely on for your turned and milled parts? 5, 7, or even 10? That's the reality for most companies. Many manufacturers operate with limited machine capacity and simply can't cover every requirement, which means you have to contact each supplier individually just to find out whether they can produce a specific component. That costs valuable time, and time means money. Now imagine working with a single supplier you can truly depend on, one that can manufacture every part you need. That's exactly what imtech offers. With access to 250 machines, we can produce all turned and milled parts. Whether diameters of 0.1 millimeter or up to 300 millimeters, whether standard materials or difficult-to-machine alloys. We also deliver fully assembled components on request. Simply tell us what you need. We handle the coordination, manufacturing, and delivery. We've been doing this successfully for over 25 years across a wide range of industries. Send us your inquiry by email today.